Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love Story on electric guitar. Start by mastering 4 fundamental open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These are the building blocks for Love Story. Focus on clean transitions, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Tune your electric guitar to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. For the original song's key, place a capo on the 3rd fret. This simple setup makes playing much more accessible and enjoyable. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective rhythm is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to give a little more emphasis to the first downstroke of each measure to really drive the rhythm. Consistency is key here, so practice slowly at first, ensuring each strum is even and clear. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your tempo to match the song's pace. The core of Love Story lies in its simple, repeating chord progression. For both the verse and chorus, you'll play G major, D major, E minor, and C major. This 4-chord sequence repeats consistently, making it easy to follow along. Listen closely to the original track to internalize the timing and feel. Focus on seamless transitions between these chords while maintaining your strumming pattern for a cohesive sound. To truly master Love Story, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to reinforce your muscle memory and improve your dexterity. Using a metronome will significantly enhance your timing and rhythmic precision. Consider recording yourself. It's a fantastic way to objectively assess your playing and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Remember, patience is key. Start slow and gradually build your speed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.